Hello ladies, I'm Ruchita and I welcome you to FOMO, Fashion on My Own. I'm back with another tried and tested video and there's a giveaway at the end, so keep watching. So the first product I tried this month is Lakme's latest launch, Lakme 95 Insta Light Instant Glow Creme, which comes in a silver and white packaging, inside which is this tube with a small nozzle. Now the tube contains a pearly white cream which is light in texture and blends in well. The cream has a sweet smell which I'm not particularly fond of, but it subsides soon, so that's not really an issue. Now the cream really controls oil in your skin and it gives a matte finish. But the main issue is that it does not add glow to my skin, which it's supposed to. Now the cream makes your skin look white, so it's not advisable for people with darker skin tones. Also it does contain SPF, which is good, but the SPF details were not mentioned on the packaging, which is quite weird. Overall, I'm not very happy with the product, but it's priced at $79 for a 20 quantity. The next product I tried this month is Bare Hair TG's Rockaholic Dirty Secret Dry Shampoo, which comes in this black can with a green cap. The dry shampoo has a citrus fragrance, which I quite like. I use it the night before, the next day when I know I'm not going to be able to wash my hair. Now my experience with the product has been quite excellent because it didn't weigh my hair down and it added volume. The only thing is you have to shake the bottle well before you spray it, otherwise it will leave a white residue behind. My only problem with the product is that it's priced a little steep. For a 300 ml can, you have to pay $1,000. Next up is Maybelline's Color Sensational Lip Polish, the Glam 16 shade. Starting with the packaging, it comes in this plastic case with a silver metallic cap, wherein the lip color is filled in a lipstick-like mold. It has a special wand which helps in the precise application for the curves of your lips. The polish is creamy in texture and it has a chocolatey brown shade with golden shimmer. Now it's non-sticky and it's more sheer than it looks. And the best part is that you can build up the color between sheer and opaque as per your choice. So it acts as a lip gloss and lipstick as well. Also it has properties of a lip balm, so it won't leave your lips dry. Overall, I'm very happy with this product and I'm definitely going to try the other shades. This 5 ml tube is priced at $450. The last product I tried this month is Tresemme's Hair Spa Rejuvenation Shampoo and Conditioner. Now the shampoo comes in the black bottle with a blue cap and the conditioner comes in the white bottle with the same blue cap. The shampoo is more runny in texture and white in color, whereas the conditioner is also white in color but it's more creamy. Now both have a strong aqua fragrance which lingers on for a while. Now the shampoo has a good cleansing power and it controls the frizz, making the hair more manageable. The conditioner makes the hair extra soft and both the products need to be used in tandem to get the best results. I can't really think of any cons because the 200 ml bottle of the shampoo and conditioner is priced at $180 each. So you can buy it and give it a try, or win it here. Yes, this month's giveaway is Tresemme's Hair Spa Rejuvenation Shampoo and Conditioner. Now you know the drill. If you want to win it, comment and let us know why, share the video, and of course you have to be a subscriber of FOMO to win this. Bye!